Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can set up Moldbot, or previously known as ClaudeBot, with your Telegram account, so you can message it through Telegram. So let's get started. Now, first off, this will just be a tutorial on how to actually connect it to Telegram. If you want a full step-by-step beginner guide, I will link that at the end of this video and at the upper right corner right now. So in this guide, I will just show you how you can actually connect it to Telegram. So for this, we would need to go to our terminal. So it doesn't matter what operating system you're using, the terminal is pretty much the same. You would just need to replace this command for your operating system. So here is the ClaudeBot setup wizard that you should be able to see. And from here, we'll be setting it up with Telegram. So if you have already set it up with another application, the process would be a bit different, and I will show that later on. But for now, let's say that you didn't set it up with anything. You would need to go through the setup wizard. You can't use your mouse here. You would just need to use your arrows and keys. Now again, if you didn't come this far in the setup, you can just watch my full setup guide video. But if you're already in the wizard and you just want to enable Telegram, this is how you do it. So let's go ahead and go through the wizard. You just use your arrow keys and then select using enter. So here I selected yes, I understand this is inherently risky, and I selected quick start mode. Next up, we would need to select the brain of our Moldbot. So depending which subscription you have, you can select whichever one of these you want. The one that I would recommend is Anthropic Claude, because it's the best model out there currently and it has the most personality. But if you want to go the free route, I would suggest Google Gemini, because you can get some API credits for free. So I selected Google, then I will select Google Gemini API key by clicking enter, and here let's go ahead and input our API key. So you can just Google Gemini API key and then get to here and then just create your key. So once you create your key, just go ahead and click copy key right here, and you will have your Gemini key if you decided to go the free route. But essentially the process is still the same for any of the LLMs that you selected as the brain of your Moldbot. Also, you can change your LLM whenever you want. All the memories will still be saved on your device, or in my case on my VPS as I selected. So let's go ahead and paste over our API key. Now you should keep your key private. I just use this one as a throwaway because I'll delete it later. Then we would need to select the model. So for a free route, I will select Google Gemini 1.5 Flash, because the free option only supports the Flash versions. And here is the most important step of the video. So here's actually how you connect it to Telegram. So let's go ahead and select Telegram as our messaging app of choice by clicking enter. And here is a quick guide on how to actually connect it to Telegram. So first, let's go ahead and copy this botfather user right here, but don't copy it using Ctrl+C, copy it manually, because if you click Ctrl+C, you will just exit the setup wizard. So I just copied this username, and then you can go to your Telegram, that being on your PC or on your phone. I have it on my PC, so let's go ahead and continue from there. So once you open your Telegram account, just go ahead and search for the botfather right here. So this is the user that we're looking for. Just go ahead and click on that user and open up your chat with that user. Now I already have created some bots, but for you, you should be able just to see start right here. After you press start, this will be the message that you will see. So as the guide says, run new bot or my bot command. So we will select new bot, which is the first command right here. Just go ahead and click on it. And then you will start the process of creating a Telegram bot. So essentially the Telegram bot will be the identity or the account of your Moldbot that it will use to communicate with you. So after selecting the new bot command on the botfather profile, you would just need to name your bot. So this can be whatever you want. Let's say tutorial bot 69 and press enter, and then you would need to give your bot an actual username. So this is just a display name, and then we would need to select a username which would need to end up in bot. So let's say something like this. You would just need to make sure that the username is not already taken. So let's go ahead and press on enter. And there we go, the username is not taken, and we have just created our bot. So let's go ahead and copy the access token for the bot. This is the most important thing that we just generated. So just go ahead and click on your API token, and then we can paste it over here under the enter Telegram bot token. So let's go ahead and go back to our terminal and just press Ctrl-Shift-V, or you can paste it manually just like this. And then let's go ahead and just press enter. And there we go. So the most important step is now finished. We just created a Telegram bot and connected it to our Mold bot. So next up, what we would need to do is configure the rest of the settings for our Mold bot, and then we can continue talking to it on Telegram. So let's quickly go through the rest of the setting up process, and then I'll show you how you can access your bot on Telegram. But before continuing, let's first go over on how to actually configure your bot for Telegram if you already configured it with another chatting app. So this is quite straightforward. Let's say you have set it up on WhatsApp. You would just need to say to your Mold bot, I would like to chat with you on Telegram also, and then he will just request of you your access token. So you would just need to create a fresh bot on Telegram as I showed you right now, and then just copy paste this into your already existing chat app, and it will automatically connect to Telegram, and you can then continue talking to it on Telegram by just clicking this link and then pressing start here. But let's go ahead and finish the setup process now. So configure skills, I will select yes. Then you would need to install Homebrew, so go ahead and select yes. Here just go ahead and select npm. And here is the whole skill tree that we can choose from and install skills on. So you choose this by pressing your arrows and then pressing space to select whichever skill you want to use. So once you select the skills that you want to use, just go ahead and press enter. And then I will just quickly skip this because we can set it up manually once we set up our bot. So here, enable hooks, I will also skip this for now by pressing space and then confirming with enter. And here you would need to install a gateway service. Now I have it already installed, so this is a bit different for me, but you will have yes or no option, and you would need to select yes and then press enter. And here we are at the end of the setup wizard. So we connected our Mold bot to Telegram, and then we can just hatch it. So I will do this later, but for you, you can just hatch it, and then it will be in your Telegram. So here we are, onboarding complete. Then you can open up your Telegram. On bot father, just go up to the bot link that you created and then just press enter to start. So here's an example of a bot that I created. You press start, then you just send any message that you want, and the bot will give you this default onboarding message, after which you can just continue talking to it as you did before. So essentially guys, that's how you can connect your Mold bot to Telegram. That's how you can connect your Mold bot to Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.